My name is Melissa Nelson, and this presentation is a Deering reading activity for the book Turkey Trouble, written by Wendy Silvano and illustrated by Lee Harper. In this fiction story, Turkey is in trouble. He tries to disguise himself to avoid being eaten for Thanksgiving. When he learns that his friend the rooster might also be in trouble, he comes up with a plan to save them both. In this story, the main character, the turkey, comes up with many creative disguises to avoid being found by the farmer. I chose this book because of the time of year and because it is a fun and witty story. My children have enjoyed reading it over the years, and it has been one of our Thanksgiving staples. It is a great read-aloud story with bright, colorful illustrations. For our Deering reading activity, I chose a graphic organizer story map. I read the story aloud to the class, and we had a group discussion to create a story map. We created two, actually. We identified the beginning, middle, and end of the story. We also identified the problem and what the main character did to resolve the problem. We discussed the vocabulary words disguise and camouflage, and the students made predictions about Turkey would disguise himself as next in the story. This is one example of a story map where we discuss the setting, the main characters, and the problem. And then this one is where we discussed what the beginning, middle, and end of the story were. Deering reading activities aid in improving reading comprehension. Creating a story map and identifying key parts of the book can aid with children retelling a story because it helps them form a map in their head. It's also useful for establishing sequence structure and can help facilitate thinking about character, plot, settings, and themes. This is the reference information for the book. Thank you.